So, guys, today I got two things to do today. One, I have to get my bike to the bike shop. I have a broken gear cable. I did that while boat riding some single track, and also I am going to put some here in my shock. I need to get my shock rock hard. No, a lot of people might ask me, why are you going to pump your shocks up? Well, today, my friends, I will be going to MOPS Skate Park in Tokyo. Well, it's in Tokyo, Adachi. This is going to be my first time riding a skate park with my full suspension bike, and yeah, it should be interesting, and I'm eager to see what will happen. So, this is A Wire, and welcome to vlog number 4. Yeah, so I'm downstairs now. I am ready to go to the skate park, but I'm considering whether or not I should just go straight to the bike shop or go straight to the skate park first. Uh, yeah, I mean, I do need some hair in my tires, and you know what, I think I should just go to the bike shop. So I'll see you guys at the bike shop. Rolling out. Hey guys, so I finally made it to the skate park. Took me like maybe 20 minutes ride. And yeah, so no, I'm gonna go in and see what I can do with this bike. All right, this should be interesting. I rode some what do you call it? Some dirt jumps the other day, and I wasn't quite, I mean, I like the way it felt, but it's not like hitting like jumps and stuff. So today is gonna be the day. I'm gonna try and see what I can learn here. Maybe if I can hit like box jumps and shit, I can do like some trial stuff because that's what I used to do back in the day. So, all right. So before I go in, I'm just gonna give you like show you what it is. Let's see, we got a vert ramp over there. It's like a little small little section. Can maybe mess around a little bit there. Here we got all the bunch of bikes lined up. Uh, we have this to set up, little kicker. Got this right here. You could just look, got a skateboarder. And yeah, so that's a spine ramp. I think I'm gonna be mostly hitting this ramp right here. And that ramp is where I broke my leg a couple of years ago. And see if I can hit a quarter pipe. Alright. So that's my girl. She's a little out of place, but what to do? That's a cute bike. Alright. Go in and pay and see what's up. Alright. So now I'm here, so I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough. So it's a little feature right here. People normally grind in this. And to your right, this is a landing to the box. It has like a little camel hump on it. As you can see, the landing is higher than the launch. Good for catching big hairs. I hope I shot it. And this is the spine. And this is a really tall spine. It's about, it's my height, it's the same height. And so we have this fat quarter here and then this big quarter here. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put my pads on and yeah, let's get ready to start my sesh. I have like maybe a hour and a half worth of sunlight, so all right, gonna have to make this count. So, you guys, oh, check out that artwork. That is so dope. That is dope right there. And then here we have it's my bike and my bag. We have a wall ride. Mm, it's nice, the flat wall ride. All right, so see you in a bit. So I've been riding for around 15 minutes now. I got two words. Wrong bike, man. It's difficult to get speed. This place is too small. Uh, I mean, the ramps aren't really too small, but the space in between them doesn't give me a lot of room to. Don't give me a lot of room to get speed, and my gear. I'm stuck in my second gear because I didn't go to the bike shop and fix my gear cable. So, yeah. Oh well, just gonna have some fun and then see if I can get a shot with me riding this quarter pipe. All right. Yeah. This bike, man, it's not working out. I mean, if we're good enough, I can ride it, but yeah, I think it just needs some getting used to, and after that, I I should be doing a way a lot better than I'm doing now. So all right, I'm gonna keep going. So all right, I have pretty much starting to warm up. Uh, I hit a small jump. Now I'm going to try and hit this big one right here behind me. So I'm going to get some speed off this thing behind me, and then try to carry that speed to hit that ramp right there. The thing is that this ramp is pretty wide. Not really wide, but it's big, so I'm going to carry tons of speed to clear this box. But I don't have a lot of running space, and my bike is stuck in the stiffest, well, not almost the stiffest gear. So yeah, I'm going to try and get a couple shots and see if I can manage to pull it off. All right, so let me go set the camera up and then try and get a couple runs out of it. That's what I'm working with. Look at that. Here's my gear cable. Non-existent. Yeah. So man, trying to get speed on that is a mother. All right. No, 9. これない。もうちょっとでしょ。これのストップペダル。そこ。コースセットアップ。そう。これはスピード。これのストップ。It's difficult trying to teach somebody how to jump a box in Japanese. 早い早い早い早い早い早い早い早い。はい、スタート。Yeah. So. So you set up. いいな。 Sodas. Sodas, yo.
And that's where all the ups and downs began.
So, I've done it. I think I'm finished riding for the day. I'm a bit tired. Uh, Pretty cool experience, but I think I would have a lot more fun riding a hardtail and with my gears fixed, so I could actually change. Because the ramps here, they're pretty close to each other, so it's hard for me to get speed on this bike. Worse, I have like knobby tires on, so I'm losing a lot of speed just by pedaling around. So I think maybe I'm gonna get like a street tire and put on this, or you know what, I might as well just get me a new bike. Maybe get me a one of those slope style bikes, yeah, so I can start doing tricks and stuff. But I mean, the bike feels okay. This is my first time riding ramps on a big bike, so it's a little bit different for me. But I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I think if I come here a couple times, and add this with my training routine, with my mountain riding and my street riding, yeah, I think by next year I should be in a pretty good shape to start hitting some big jumps. So, yeah, I mean, it was fun. It was cool. I just feel the urge right now to hit bigger jumps. So, yeah, man. This guy that's riding right now, I've been teaching him how to launch. When he just started riding, his launch was shit. But I helped him out, give him some pointers, and yeah, he's getting so much better right now. So, yeah, I mean, I guess it's in me. Wherever I go, I always end up coaching, whether it's BMX, mountain biking, or skateboarding. So maybe that's something I should consider. I think I'm pretty good at it. So, all right, man. So this is vlog number 4 at Map Skatepark. Where shall I go next? What should I try next? Stick around and you'll see. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and until my next vlog, stay wild, stay rad, and stay awesome.